Hey folks, Chris here, just back with a short video on how to choose what image gets chosen by Facebook and other social media sites on your WordPress blog to be used alongside a post on, for example, Facebook. So a client and friend of mine, Carla, has a website, as well as a Facebook page, and she was wondering, she asked me, how can I get I had done this post for her. She had done this post and noticed that the post I chose had a different image featured, larger possibly, that kind of thing, than the post that she had. Now, first of all, Facebook sometimes will choose and find different images off your site. It'll go through and try and find something. You can set a default image, things like that, with various plugins to use on your site, but and sometimes it'll show up different sizes and different ways, just the way that Facebook chooses to show things and manipulate the timeline. So your mileage may vary, and it may vary from refresh to refresh as well, just as we know Facebook kind of messes with us, right? But we're okay with that because we love Facebook. The way that you can control what gets chosen here for this image is, so on that post, this post, first post here, where it's got this nice little screenshot of, looks kind of like a play button, but it actually isn't, because it'll take you to the post itself. It doesn't play it right in Facebook because we want people to go back to her website. And so on that post, you can see down here in the WordPress install, there's a featured image chosen. And that's the magic sauce to getting the image that you want to be chosen by Facebook and other social media sites when that page is shared. So whereas the post down here, the styling services, which is just a link to a page actually on her site, doesn't have a featured image chosen. And so what Facebook is doing is, this is that page, is grabbing the first image it sees basically in the HTML, which happens to be this large, nice big header image, which works great on the website, but it kind of isn't necessarily as good here. So you can, if you go to the page without an image chosen, you can choose Set Featured Image, and then it'll load up obviously all the images from your website. Pick something appropriate, but I did something that's not very imaginative and creative right now, but just in the interest of time, just took a screenshot of some of the text on the page, maybe as a way to entice people to want to actually visit the page. And then you basically hit Set as Featured Image. It should give you a little refresh here and show you what that looks like. Hit Update. So nothing on the page as far as what you see right now will change. It's still the exact same page, even if I refresh this. Okay, so with that featured image, then I should be able to take this URL, go to Facebook, and I'll just use my own Lemon Productions page, which you can like if you want. Subtle plug. And post her link to that page here, except I'm not getting the image that I want. I'm getting what was an older image off that page. So that's a problem, obviously. Chris, you're a liar and a charlatan, and I should give you all back your money. Except you didn't pay me. So anyways, what's going on actually, there's Facebook has a little debugger, they call it, developers.facebook.com/tools/debug. And what you can do is paste in the URL that you're wondering what's going on. Why isn't Facebook doing what I said to do? And then it'll show you issues that maybe are there. I don't worry too much about it, but in this case, the main issue that we want to fix is this image. And you can see that the image that they're choosing to select is still that image that we see right there. I could just upload an overlay, upload my own image of choice right now if I wanted to. But anyways, what's going on is you can see it was Facebook last scraped the page 2 hours ago. So it hasn't refreshed and grabbed new stuff. So anytime somebody shares that page, it doesn't go check for new images or things like that. It just grabs what it already has. I'm not sure on the exact refresh time for Facebook, but that's why I'm not seeing, or we're not seeing, the updated image yet. But that is what is supposed to happen when, so I don't, in the interest of time for this video, I'm not going to wait forever, but a page itself is different than a post because a page doesn't get refreshed as often, whereas a new post is obviously brand new. So if we posted a brand new post onto Carla's blog here and set a featured image, it would just go grab that featured image right away, and then off to the races. You're done. Good to go. Hope that wasn't too confusing. If you have any questions, definitely leave a comment in the comments below. Feel free to subscribe to the video with the box somewhere around over there. If you have any comments or questions or concerns about WordPress stuff, I'd love to hear them. If you have questions about what to wear, visit Carla's website, Confident Style by Carla. Thanks for watching. Bye.